this is the problem of mensuration. Here it is given that the external length, breadth and height of a closed box are 10 cm, 9 cm and 7 cm respectively. The total inner surface area of the box is 262 square centimeter. If the walls of the box have uniform thickness of T, then T equals the dimensions of inner edges will be 10 minus 2T, 9 minus 2T and 7 minus 2T. As box is of this nature, when thickness is considered from both the edges that are parallel of a side, then there would be reduction of 2T in the dimension. So as per the given problem, 2 into 10 minus 2T into 9 minus 2T plus 9 minus 2T into 7 minus 2T plus 7 minus 2T into 10 minus 2T equals 261. When we simplify this equation, we'll get a quadratic equation in T, and after solving that we'll get the required value. But we can do one more thing, that is substituting the value of T from the given options and seeing which one gives the required result or satisfies the given equation. On putting T equals 1, we get left hand side equals right hand side. Therefore option A is the correct option, our answer, and we don't need to check other options apart from option 3, as it has two values, 1 centimeter and 23 by 3. But if we look at a from a close quarter at 23 by 3, we find that this is more than 7, as the lowest dimension of the given box is 7, which means the thickness of the wall cannot be 7 or more than this, otherwise the given situation would not be possible, which means 23 by 3, which is more than 7, cannot be thickness of the box, from which we can easily eliminate option B and C. And on substituting T equals 3, we'll get the result which would not be in consonance with the given equation. Therefore option A is the correct answer.